All right, so here is the chart. It should be started at E-mini. All right, so today I'm going to show you what I would consider the simplest trade setup that you're ever going to find for trading the E-minis. Now I want to mark on the screen, see this bar here? That's called a consolidation bar. Look what happened. We broke above that consolidation bar. That happened this morning. So the market went up. Look what happened here. We consolidated again. This is the E-mini. Look what happened when we broke below that level. Look where we're at now. I'm going to explain this in dollar terms for you. All right, so we broke above consolidation here. Let me back up a little bit here. We'll kind of get the whole picture here for this morning. Okay, so we had consolidation here at about 10 o'clock, and we broke below it at about 45.85, and we moved down to 45.71. All right, so 85 to 71. So that's about 15 points, 14 points. Okay, so 14 points on the E-mini, it's $50 per point. That would be a $700 move on the E-mini. It's a $70 move per contract in the micro. All right, so then here at about 10:45, we broke above this consolidation at 45.78. We moved up to 45.88. So we moved up about 10 points. Okay, so 10 points on the E-mini is $500. That's $50 per contract on the micros. And then you can see here we broke below consolidation. Again, I'm gonna mark the chart again. Okay, so here's our next consolidation bar right here, and we broke below that bar. All right, so we broke below that bar at 45.81, and right now we're at 45.75.50. That's so far about 6 points, about 6 points lower. So far in the E-mini, that's a $300 move so far in the E-mini, about $30 per contract on the micros. Okay, so what I'm showing you is something that you should be able to learn this very, very quickly. You need to combine this. Like I said, I would recommend doing this. Start out with the micro futures, and you can trade one contract or you can trade multiple contracts. Okay, so, but now we do run in the NinjaTrader platform. Okay, so we run exclusively with the NinjaTrader platform. The reason we do that is because I believe they have the very best trading platform out there for trading futures. All right, so I promised today that I would show you what I would consider the simplest setup or the E-mini that you may ever see. And essentially, again, what we're looking for is these consolidation bars. Now, the consolidation bars are the bars with the gold frame. So let's kind of review that again. Let's review that again. Okay, so here's a consolidation bar. See how it has the gold frame around it? And you can see we broke below that bar. We moved from 45.85 to 45.71. Okay, so that's about a 14-point move on the E-mini. 14-point move on the E-mini is $700. 14-point move on the micros is $70 per contract. All right, so hopefully everyone in the room can see what we're talking about here. 14-point move here. Here we moved from 78 to 89, so over a 10-point move there. Here we broke below consolidation at 81.50, and right now we're at 72.50. Okay, so that's about a 10-point move. All right, so 10 points on the E-mini, in case you're not aware of that, is $500. $50 per micro contract. Like I said, I promised everyone today I'd show you the simplest trade setup you may ever see for the E-mini.
All right, so be sure to click on the like button below and also subscribe to our channel. It helps our channel to grow. If you'd like to come to our live E-mini training webinars, you can send an email to support@navitrader.com, support@navitrader.com, or I'll leave a link below that you can click on that link to sign up for our free E-mini live webinars. Thanks for viewing our video.